Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing gear and locking settings. This saves time later. Mount the camera on a tripod and level it because tiny tilt errors ruin the panorama. Set manual exposure and white balance, then shoot RAW so you can recover highlights and shadows. This matters when blending. Rotate in consistent steps, about 15 degrees to 30 degrees, and keep the lens at the nodal point to avoid parallax. Once done, transfer files and organize them by sequence for smooth stitching. Now you move into stitching. Pick software that supports spherical output and import the ordered images. You should align control points automatically, then check and add points where mismatches occur, since accurate alignment controls seem quality. Make sure lens parameters and focal length are correct. Adjust exposure blending to avoid visible transitions. If parallax shows, where objects don't line up, refine control points or mark that area for a reshoot. Once the stitch looks continuous, preview the full sphere before fine edits. Finish by choosing export settings, equirectangular projection, desired resolution, and a high-quality JPG or TIFF. Embed 360 metadata if you will upload to viewers. Apply subtle sharpening and global color tweaks, but be cautious. Cropping can distort the spherical wrap. Test the image in a 360 viewer to confirm horizon and seams. If you see ghosting or seam lines, mask the offending area or reproject and restitch just those source images. This targeted fix usually resolves alignment artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.